Hey guys, for those of y'all that know me, what's up? How's it going? For those of y'all that don't, my name is Jared Lotto. I'm filming this video today because today happens to be the 4th of July, and since I'm living here in Washington, D.C., I thought, what better way to show you how the 4th of July is celebrated here in our nation's capital than filming a video about it. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, hey guys, so you may be wondering what exactly those shots were of right now, and that's the place I'm staying at. So I stay on Mount Vernon Triangle here in Washington, D.C., and basically if you haven't ever been to D.C., D.C. is broken up into a bunch of different little subdivisions. So you have like Gallery Place, Mount Vernon Triangle, you have Columbia Heights, different places like that, and all the shots that you've seen so far are all literally within a block from where I live. Alright guys, so before the 4th of July festivities begin, I decided to go on a run. This is one of my favorite things to do here while sorry, hold on. This is one of my favorite things to do here in DC, particularly because when you're running around a city, especially like our nation's capital, you don't get the kind of views that you do if you're from McAllen or go to school in Abilene like me. So, I definitely try to take advantage. Alright guys, I just got a really good 30-minute run in. Now, I got a shower, change real quick, because next on the agenda, rooftop barbecue and pool party. Alright, what's up? Little update here. We just finished making the patties. Got the chips and dip, the node being the node. We got our little toppings for the burgers. Right now we're just waiting for the fries to get done cooking. Yeah, and then we're gonna head up to the rooftop, get grilling. Catch you there. Alright, what's up guys? Shirts come off, we're up here on the roof. Told you about the pool party going on. We just finished cooking up the burgers right now. Coming out perfect. Yeah, so far everything's looking pretty good.
I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just a young, dumb, and broke, but we still got a lot to give.
Alright, so we're out here right now and we've been out here for about 2 hours. It's super packed. We're probably just gonna take off, as you can see. As of now, we're about to just head out and go try out the Capitol Ride bike share. Do that for a little bit, head to the Capitol, get ready for the fireworks and the concert tonight. Catch us there. Alright, so we're all cleaned up. Right now we're currently walking. Wait, why is this funny? Oh hey, by the way, this is Vinod, this is JC, we got Mason over here. We all work together at the Office of Congressman.
Young, dumb, and broke. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder.
Alright, we're here at the Capitol Bike Share. About to get our bikes real quick. Then we'll get rolling. We actually put the bikes back at their station because Mason has his own bike. So we're gonna take a lift to Mason's place and then find a Capitol Bike Share around his place once he has his own bike. So catch you at Mason's place. Alright guys, now we're currently at George Washington University. We're at one of the dorms here. This is where Mason stayed. I don't know if the whole bike thing is technically going to work out right now just because the concert is supposed to start in like about half an hour. So, might have to just postpone that, see what happens from there, but yeah, keep you updated.
What's up guys, I'm Jared, and sometimes you just need to chill out with Evie and Jen. What's up man, we just chilling in Mason's crib, yo. This big boy right here couldn't stay awake in the Uber, man. You don't condone drinking, but like,
Dude, definitely do not condone underage drinking.
look at my underage drinking, JC.
Dude, hey, he doesn't have to worry about it because he's 21. All right, guys, little update real quick. So right now we're actually at Howard University. So yeah, today we've actually been to almost 3 universities in one day, all on the 4th. The JC had to come by, get his ID, so that when we go to the Capitol right now to sit on the Capitol steps, he'll be able to enter, because Capitol steps can only be entered with a valid staff ID. So we're at Howard real quick, and now we're gonna be heading to the Capitol to get ready for the concert. So catch you there.
America, you know, God done shed his grace on thee. He proud like good. Yes, he did.
Happy Independence Day, America.